Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the Sehat channel. Today we are going to talk about different type of weight loss wraps. So stay with us and get more information about that.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए.
Viewers, when it comes to weight loss, people have tried different ways to lose weight. Lately, body wraps and slimming belt are one of the more popular products claiming to help you trim inches of the waist, hips, thighs and tone up your loose skin. But do they really work? Body wraps claim to help you lose inches and drop weight, and these facilities are available in many slimming centers, salons and spas. Viewers, the body wrap treatment uses warm towels, thermal blankets or plastic with or without the application of tropical heat cream. Special lotions or cream applied to the skin. Now let's talk about type of body wraps. Number 1, heat wraps. Number 2, slimming wraps using topical herbal product. Number 3, infracted body wraps. Number 4, detoxing wraps. But the thing is this, do they really help in weight loss? Just link with any other trend, these body wraps are no different. Wrapping your body with these sorts of body wraps can cause localized tightening, temporary changes in weight or inches. The results will be temporary, maybe a day, and there is certainly no fat loss in this way. There is no evidence that body wrap will help you to lose fat. Viewers, the only proven way is through your diet and workout. We hope you have liked today's video, so don't forget to comment in comment box. Take care of yourself until next video. Bye bye.